On today's episode of Rippin' Cake.
Are you excited to play in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's October 31st and we've got about 6 inches of snow here on the ground. It's October 31st and we've got about 6 inches of snow here on the ground.
It's a new record!
Which I love. I mean, I enjoy the snow. I do live in Wisconsin for a reason, but come on, October 31st? That's a little bit crazy.
Usually it doesn't even snow till like late December.
I think one year I had a vlog in like the second week of January, and that was our first snow of the year. And this is actually the second snow of the year already. It looks like this is going to be the first one that sticks. It possibly might be on the ground from here on out for the rest of the winter. I don't know. Have you seen the forecast? It looks pretty cold.
Yeah, but not for the rest of the winter because it always like comes and then it melts and then it comes and then it melts.
Yeah, but you look good in the snow.
Big cubby.
Oh,
Whoa.
a big
What do you got?
puppy. Drop it. Let's make a snowman.
You drop it.
Oh, you do drop it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh. I got him.
You got him! You crush him!
It's not like it's tacky, but
What?
it's not like that.
What
tacky.
did? What did you try? Your try? Yeah, your shoes?
Yeah.
Is that your try? What?
Are you excited to play in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah. That.
We've got a really cute clip of him playing in the snow.
What are you doing? Baby mustache.
Yeah, totally adorable. But that was about the extent of it. He really couldn't do much. So this year is going to be a lot of fun.
Ready? Oh, it like goes all the way down to the grass. A little help here. Just remember I'm 2 months postpartum. He has no idea what I just said.
Where's
Oh
home?
my god, I'm stuck. It's all wet. Oh no. Did I make you a big ball?
Yeah.
Should we make a snowman?
Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, you okay?
I okay. Hey, Mom.
Good.
I okay. Mom. There.
There. It's a very nice head. Okay. Maybe we should still make a head, or maybe that should be the head.
This is maybe the shortest, little squattiest snowman I've ever seen.
Here. What? I could. No!
Oh no!
I could tip over.
Why is this not packing? Oh, you're gonna tip it over? Good job. Wait. Let's make it a snowman. Look it. It's a snowman!
I could
Wow, he's gonna get it!
Get it.
Oh.
Oh. I know. Let's go down the slide and then we can slide into it.
Whoa!
Go, go, go.
Go, buddy!
Open sleepy.
Get it.
Go be fast.
Yeah!
It's gonna be fast.
No, don't.
Go,
Can I
buddy!
help you?
Yeah.
You ready? Go. Ready? Go. Oh. Gonna jump on it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Now it's time for Christmas decorations.
Christmas decoration!
What?
Hold up!
Ripley doesn't believe in Christmas decorations in October.
Ugh,
The Farmer's Almanac says it's going to be a rough winter. Hopefully this is a sign of a lot of awesome snow days ahead of us for Sterling this year. Thank you guys all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.